Hello, I'm Bill Luigian, President of Apex Distribution. I want to personally welcome you to the Apex team and take a moment to give you a brief introduction to our company. Apex Distribution is a Canadian oilfield and industrial supply company that was established in June of 1999 by a small group of like-minded, innovative individuals. This group combined decades of service experience and product knowledge, which proved as the foundation of Apex. The goal was to provide the Canadian oil and gas sector with alternative supply source that is clearly focused on delivering enhanced results and value through superior customer service and products. Through organic growth and a variety of acquisitions, it did not take long for Apex to grow from a small network of 3 locations in Edmonton, Edson, and Slave Lake to multiple locations across Western Canada. It was people, not the market, that drew us into the area. We knew the winning formula was to have the right people with a shared excitement to be part of a rapidly growing company and a winning team. The teamwork between our locations, the field staff, and our head office employees are something we are very proud of, and our culture continues to attract the best employees in the business. Apex Distribution expanded its existing valve competencies in May of 2005, creating Apex Valve Services, offering clients a single source option for all valve requirements. Our valve service locations have a separate roof line than our distribution locations. However, they are located in the same town or city. Today we have over 40 locations across BC, Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba. This includes our valve service and repair facilities, as well as an 85,000 square foot central distribution center located in Nisku, Alberta. In 2012, Apex sold to a public company called Russell Metals, which allowed us to continue to operate independently and be part of a much larger company. They are one of the largest metal distribution and processing companies in North America. The company primarily distributes steel products and conducts its businesses in metal service centers and steel distribution. Russell Metals operates in both energy and steel sectors. Apex industry expertise and success has been strengthened even further from their highly experienced in-house staff. Since our inception, not only has Apex Distribution been recognized for our customer service, industry experience, and expertise, but also as an industry leader in health and safety. You will find an Apex health and safety policy prominently displayed within all of our facilities. However, we feel safety goes beyond our workplace. We encourage all employees to keep health and safety in the forefront of all their daily activities, both at work and at home. We firmly believe safety is everyone's responsibility and take all efforts to maintain a safe working environment for all of our employees, customers, and all who access our facilities. We are committed to ensure a safe and responsible working atmosphere for our customers and the community. It is our goal that by working together and following the procedures set forth by our health and safety leadership, we will enjoy an injury-free workplace. Throughout our many years of experience, Apex has carefully formed the talented leadership team that we have today. From operational experts, sales professionals, accounting analysis, human resource management, safety personnel, and more, this team of individuals have each played a pivotal role in facilitating the company's evolution into the industry leader that we are today. Apex Distribution has been deeply rooted in the North American oil and gas sector for many years now and is recognized as a leader in service supply and safety. The future is bright as we continuously grow and expand our network of locations across North America. I believe that every employee can be a leader. We encourage teamwork and embrace change and new ideas. We continue to be committed to being number one in each of our markets and the employer and supplier of choice because of our people, our culture, and our customer focus. People like you are our most valued asset and integral part of our continuous growth and success. We are thrilled to have you be a part of the Apex team and welcome you on board.